Hey everyone, welcome back. Today in this video, let's learn how to make black pepper chicken with a side of egg fried rice. They are a very good combination. These recipes are so simple and easy to make. You will never have to buy it from the restaurant. And I'm sure you'll enjoy this video. Now let's get started. Ingredients to make egg fried rice. To make this recipe, take a big pan or a wok, heat up 2 tablespoons of oil. I'm adding 5 eggs, sprinkle some salt, scramble the eggs lightly. Now this is done, remove the eggs onto a plate and set aside. Into the same pan, add 2 tablespoons of oil. To this I'm adding a tablespoon of each finely chopped garlic, ginger and green chillies. This recipe you should cook on a high flame, so keep all the ingredients ready. Saute this for about 10 to 15 seconds. I'm adding 1 onion finely chopped. Saute it for 20 seconds. Then goes chopped cabbage, carrot, beans and some green peas. Vegetables should stay crunchy, do not overcook it, so saute it for about 30 to 40 seconds. I'm adding 1 chicken cube for extra flavor. Give it a quick toss. One tablespoon of soy sauce and 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. Give it a quick mix. To get a perfect fried rice, the grains of rice should be cooked just right. If overcook the rice, it will lose all the texture and become mushy. This is 2.5 cups of cooked rice. Add some salt and give it a nice mix. Now let's add the scrambled eggs to the rice. Garnish with some spring onions and combine everything really well. Simple and easy egg fried rice is done. Ingredients to make black pepper chicken. Here I've got 2 chicken breasts cut into thin slices. Let's marinate the chicken. Add half a teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder, 1 tablespoon of corn flour, this is 1 egg. I'm going to use half of it. Mix well. Keep this aside for some time till we prepare our sauce. Let's prepare sauce for the chicken. Combine 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of vinegar, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce and 1 tablespoon of corn flour. Mix well and keep this to one side. Now let's fry the marinated chicken. Into a pan, add some oil for frying. Add the marinated chicken. This chicken will not take much time to cook. Fry it on a medium heat for 2 minutes. Chicken is done. Now remove it from the pan and put it on a plate. In a pan, add some oil. I'm using the chicken oil in which I fried the chicken. To this I'm adding 1.5 tablespoons of finely chopped garlic, 1 tablespoon of finely chopped ginger, 3 green chillies sliced. Just saute this for 10 seconds. Add the fried chicken and toss well. Add diced onion and bell peppers. Give it a quick mix. Season it with some salt and pepper and mix well. Add the sauce and add half cup of chicken stock. If you don't have chicken stock, add a chicken cube to half cup of hot water. Mix and add it to your dish. Keep the flame on medium, let it simmer for a minute. Finally, garnish with some spring onions and give a quick mix. Once you make these recipes at home, you will never try them from the restaurants again. Simple and easy black pepper chicken with a side of fried rice is done. Try this recipe and let me know your feedback. If you like this video, consider subscribing, like, share and comment. For more such videos, click on the left to check out my previous video and on the right my other recipes. Thank you all so much for watching. Stay safe, stay healthy, happy cooking.